Hey, 20, we should ask you like 20 questions about you while you screw in screws in the table.
Is that screw and ruin put in the same word?
I think by accident?
No. No. Anyway, yeah, sure. If you have 20 questions.
Yeah, for sure. What is your favorite color?
Blue.
What kind of blue?
Like, I mean, there's like a spectrum of blue, like, you know, like Royal Navy blue or like, you know, like light blue.
Yeah, so which one? So it's
Just
3
blue.
questions already. So all blues.
All blues.
Any shade of blue.
Yeah.
I
like
just got rid
pink.
of 4 out of 20 questions asking you about your favorite color.
Okay.
Because it wasn't clear. What kind of blue was it? What's your favorite food?
I like fried rice a lot.
What kind of fried rice? You can elongate anything by asking what kind of what.
So most Chinese restaurants, if they have like a house special fried rice, that's all I always ask for. Because it's like, has everything in it.
Do you make it at home yourself?
Yes.
Oh, cool. How many siblings do you have?
I have one younger sister.
Aww. Oh, God. How's your hand feeling?
It's a little sore.
How's your face feeling?
Well, other than my chin, it's okay. I'm a little sweaty though.
How's your head feeling?
Fine.
How's your heart?
Broken.
Oh,
No, I'm just
why?
kidding. It's good. I did cardio yesterday.
Okay.
So I ate oatmeal. So healthy heart, healthy life.
How many Cheerios have you had?
Like bowls or pieces,
Yes.
or flavors, or
Yes, let's go with flavors.
so I had the plain ones, the honey nut Cheerios. Oh jeez, man, my hand's hurting. What else? Some apple cinnamon kind. One that has like had yogurt pieces in it. That was pretty good. There's probably way more.
He's so
Oh, pumpkin spice.
Oh, yeah.
Cheerios.
yeah, Keith
Those
needs
were
it.
so good.
Yay! Thanks, Angelo. Save us, Angela.
Are they bringing a drill?
Yeah.
Good God, this sucks.
I'm sorry, I didn't
No,
realize.
I'm not saying that. The task that you put on us
I
sucks,
didn't mean
but
to.
The fact that trying to drive screws with just the screwdrivers, what are we? In the 1700s?
It says Phillips screwdriver. It doesn't even say anything. It's an IKEA thing. What am I talking about?
Maybe they don't have power tools in Sweden. That's a lie, of course.
Of course they have power tools in Sweden. Oh, God, I hate this. I hate everybody. I hate me. Why am I like this? See, look at this smiling person. It says hammer exclamation point exclamation point, aka hammer and 2 screwdrivers.
2 screwdrivers?
Yeah, because you need a flathead
For
and a.
double the power.
Flathead.
Yeah. Do you want another Diet Coke? I need you to eat though.
I'll eat another one.
Yeah, please. Also, don't get hurt on your way, please. Alright, Keith, since you're the new person screwing the things,
Yay.
what's your favorite color?
Oh, see that? It's blue.
See, that's a very clear shade of blue.
Yeah. Actually, so there's a darker. Remember,
I'm kidding.
you saw it when I first had it. There's dark.
I did. I just used that stream to ask hair care questions.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Actually, yeah.
Have you met Buddy before?
I have not, other than pictures on Instagram.
Now, Buddy's the famous one. I'm just
Yeah.
his father.
It's actually kind of true.
Everyone loves Buddy on Twitter. It's crazy.
Buddy's so cute.
Like, there was one time Buddy tweeted, "Oh, sorry, I've been busy." And everyone's like, "No, it's okay. You're such a good boy." And I'm like, "Holy crap, Buddy. You're so famous."
Meanwhile, Twani's like, sorry guys, I've been busy, and we're all like, that's no excuse.
Can I get one more screw?
No.
Please.
Okay. Sure, just for you.
You can use six or 7 out of it, yeah.
Keith, you're doing so well. I think we found what Keith is like really, really good at.
I think so, too.
Screwy and screwy.
I think I'm just gonna play video games while he does this.
Don't, that's rude.
I'm
Don't do that.
kidding!
I have to do this again
I'm
tomorrow.
kidding. Oh my god, that's so true.
Oh, yeah, it's true.
Oh no, Keith is gonna be so buff. He's gonna be like buff Keith. Mega Keith.
Yeah, that's his. That's your 5-star gacha roll. You get Keith. That's buff. SSR Keith.
Oh, how'd you guys do this again? I'm just filming you.
Oh, I used this to stand it up.
What? But is it this height? There's nobody there. There's a suitcase. No.
My leg.
My
leg.
My leg. Oh my god. I'm sorry. There we go. I did it. I think that I have contributed the most out of all of this.
I mean, you bought it, so I think that's the
Really?
biggest contribution you can make.
Oh no.
Dang, look at Keith's.
That's
It's
so
all
bad.
flush. Mine
Yeah, it's
is
beautiful.
poop.
Yeah, it's just a metal line.
Dookie.
No, but this was me. I made it crooked.
It's no,
Dookie.
Are you saying I did terribly?
no.
Is that what you're saying? Because this is the only other one that's great.
Excellent.
Actually, I don't know what I'm looking at anymore.
Wow. Wow.
I didn't remember which ones I did. So you said you did this one?
I mean,
Probably
I
you did some of
lined
that
it up,
one,
yeah.
you did some of this one.
Well, this one's good. That one's
Aw.
good. And then that's where my hands started to cramp. I was like, help.
Nope.
Man, when I was playing Captain Toad on the Wii U, that's like all I heard as I was playing it. Hello! Okay!
They got a VR version of that.
Is there?
Yeah, you get the VR or the VR cardboard thing.
Uh-huh.
You just slide it in there.
What?
Is this just Toad? Like, really quick?
No, you play the game. Actually, I don't know what.
I thought it was just Toad.
I guess you still have to be. Yeah, I don't know how the VR would work.
I'm curious now. I'm gonna find out more about this. Oh, is this the Nintendo Labo stuff?
Yeah, the Labo. That's what it was called.
Yeah. I wanted to buy that because I played the fishing one, and I felt like my grandpa.
Fishing? Yeah.
Like I built the fishing rod out of the cardboard. And I'm like, man, I'm like relaxed right now.
Yeah, relaxed as we are right now.
Well, not like right now.
No, we are so... What? This is the most relaxing thing we have ever done.
I feel my forearm like throbbing.
So sorry.
Here I am going in on it like I'm strong. And I'm like, wait, I've been like in and out of like rest, so this is kind of difficult.
Had no chance whatsoever.
0 chance.
Nothing. Wow, everyone can't do it.
Wow.
Well, I tried.
No, you're good. We're halfway there. As soon as I said we're halfway there, I was like, oh.
Yep. Too. Just not in Toad's voice, though.
Everything's in Toad's voice.
Okay, I dare you to go through a Wendy's drive-through with Toad's voice. Oh god, I can actually see you doing this.
Can we do it? Let's do it.
Oh my
I've been
god,
doing this forever.
I can
Let's
see
do it.
you doing this.
Keith, let's do it.
God, when I went to get breakfast at McDonald's this morning, I was so out of it. I was like, can I get a McPickle, please?
Pickle.
And I was like, wait, let me ask that again.
Oh god.
I felt like such an idiot. I was
You're
like,
not even trying to prank them.
no, I was just, because I wanted to say, could I get a McDouble with no pickles? And so I was like, can I get a McPickle, please? I was like, and it was funny because like they just got really quiet and they're just like, oh, we don't serve lunch yet. I'm like, they didn't hear what I said, right?
Oh my god. What's a McDouble?
It's just,
Double cheeseburger with no cheese.
Oh, so could they give it to you if they weren't saying what?
No, they were like pretty adamant that they couldn't do it. Like, you could wait a few minutes. Like, no, I'm already here.
So what did you do? Did you get a hash brown?
I got 2 hash browns.
I love that.
Dude, I don't know why their hash browns are so godlike.
The hash browns remind me of the purple character that they have. I just thought that he was a hash brown.
I always thought that too, actually.
Oh, I don't know.
I was like, what is Grimace supposed to be?
I
A
felt like
hash
the
brown?
only person that thought he was a chicken nugget or a hash brown. And then because I had the hash browns when I was a kid, I was like, he's a hash brown.
Can I get the Grimace twins?
Okay, I once saw a trivia question that asked about SpongeBob making Krabby Patties and like what is the correct order of the Krabby Patty. I don't know the answer. Whoa, wait, whoa, wait, whoa, wait, whoa, what are you doing?
Never seen?
I've heard about it on the internet. I don't think I've ever seen
Oh,
anyone.
it's in the flesh. Nice.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I saw it on the internet and I was like, hey, that's a good idea. I didn't taste these yet. Oh.
Are they really good?
Have you made them before?
I've made them before.
Yeah, you did mention that they're darker.
Yeah, because I used a different, like, kind of like ube, like extract. So I was like, man, this thing's like
What?
dark.
Extract? I hate them now. No.
Wow, rude. The recipe calls for the ube jam and the extract.
Okay.
Don't give me this, dude.
I'm just kidding, man.
Oh, body slam you.
We're on the ground.
You'll just go through the floor.
Yeah.
No! My apartment! No, my teeth are already just my apartment!
It won't even be like an actual hole. It'll just be my body outline.
Be like, I just lost 2 of my friends. No, my apartment.
And if someone asks, wow, how come you have a hole that's outlined like a body and you just say 20 and they're gonna go, oh, okay.
Yeah, pretty much.
All right,
Sorry, officer, again, I don't know that guy.
I need 3.
They're gonna go, we do.
I need 3 more screws.
Oh.
Thanks, Wayne.
These actually turned out great.
I requested them for my birthday already.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
Remind me though, like a week in advance so I could buy everything.
And remind him again.
He's not gonna remember anyway, it's fine. That's where I just said that laughing.
Go to calendar, say make.
Yeah, I should just do
No,
that.
he's just gonna put polar bear punch in for the rest of his life for every day because he ditched you.
I did tell him to jump in, throw in the tub of ice cold water and jump into that.
Mm-hmm.
Did you do that?
No.
That's okay.
Well, if we really look, we live near Martha Lake. Why don't we just eat? What if I do that tomorrow? Huh?
Yeah, don't jump into Martha Lake. I have no idea what's in Martha Lake.
Well, I'm gonna find out.
Oh my god.
Guys, I'm in the hospital again. I have brain-eating amoeba.
Yeah, you
I don't
remember
know
when I
what it
hurt
is.
myself and I had this open gaping wound and I jumped into
It just gets double infected. Half my face is gone. I have to wear a mask. Oh. I was like, help.
Keith, you're a hero.
Yes. I'm a hero of the ages.
Is that because you're older?
Harsh.
I'm a good friend. I just came back from New Jersey. I'm sorry. We're brutal
You
over
still
there.
have New Jersey.
New Jersey state of mind.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, we Italians are just.
New Jersey.
It's like the most New Jersey song I can think of.
What, eating Bruce Springsteen?
Oh, the PS3 has no games. Just kidding.
It's sad because it's kind of true.
Yeah, I mean, that's always been the joke.
I got the PS3 for Kingdom Hearts 3.
I have to retighten this one.
But it's on
No!
the PS4.
It's a loose.
I know, we didn't know that at the time.
Oh, true.
We assumed it was going to be on the PS3 because that's what it was planned for. I'm not going to be able to sing anymore. Only as Chode.
You have to tighten that one. That one's so, the hand itself is a little.
It's also
Here.
crooked. If we're cool with it. I'm cool with that.
Well,
Is it crooked? I can't tell.
Well, it'll probably line up a little bit.
I mean, I could just undo them.
Then the Keith has to put them back in.
Wait. It is kind of crooked, isn't it?
Yeah. It looks very Jamie from here.
Yeah, they're.
I'm just a little nervous because you can see the screws.
I mean, it should. I mean, we need to tighten it, and it's gonna be fine because it's gonna be folding in this way.
All right, well, we'll just.
All right, I can try to tighten it too.
Excuse me.
I feel so bad for you at your tournament already.
Why?
It is. Why are you looking at bottles, Keith?
Take straight shots and then pop
It
bottles.
was a
Keeps a party.
Toshi's teriyaki sauce.
Oh,
Oh, gee, that place is so good.
I've never been.
My friend is actually like friends with their son.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so whenever I go over there, they hook it up. It's
So
awesome.
so there's many Toshis in the area,
Yeah.
but the original Toshis is up in Mill Creek.
Yep. Just down the street for me.
We should go there. Keith, let's just go there. Keith, let's go to the beach and then go there.
Let's go to the beach.
Dare you to sing it like Toad.